Greetings, grace and peace to you. My name is DJ Sabs, aka Mr. Radio Man. Today we're back at it again on the road, Westbourne Road. That's where we're at, and definitely at the One Room. Urban Exchange is the name of the project, and imicimbi mihla ngendlela mangalisayo. What I love about this particular one is that there are machita from outside coming to invade the space. You know how hip hop is, raw, uncut, amazing music. Tina senza njani? Sawungena ngaphakathi ngicela usilandele.
Can we kick it? Yeah! 6 MCs, come on stage, man. Can we kick it? Yes, you can. Can we kick it? Yes, you can. Can we kick it?
Yep, Steve. Yep, Papa. Yes, I. Just like a langa on the bullshit in our Galili. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Hey. DJ. Hey. Tena kilanga boy ilanga liyamganza lenhlansi yaphume emanzini igila kunamathatha ibamfanekiswe mayithi umyalelo uhamba nozi awela ngoyinani yihoyile lembovu njengoba mfanekiswe mayithi umyalelo uhamba lesibalo isiba liqhelela imikhakha yincwadi endalo yadumisa siyavumisa kwala inhloko dimakathi siyamangaza kukozimanga yonke siyenzela ulirati lakhi mayithi people asuthane was the common factor ngikezela ngokwakunyana ngokuyazi into abazoyenza mali nathi bosa siyazi kwesiyenzayo njengoba yena niyazi ikarasta lukwa xose ndisifuna ngesisigapeshe yakwencima yeke yakaseniwile kanti andikazi ukugqiba ngokuthi igqikwelanga thatha isigqibo sokuqinisa for these bright ideas jonga ne-light sayitshisa i-vision siyiphiwe yipresident yenkosikosi i-prediction kwisitshilelo ziveziwe nkosikosi le mishini ngokupitsha lilanga nangomsa sina-choice izigaba ngezexesha izizukulwana lilifa likhaya ngoba inhloko bayeyenyoka sayihlikihla ikhala ngokukraka sayithimlela singagwadanga ngabantwana ngabadala otshatileyo ongatshatanga iBhabhiloni kumbongwane ilalapha izazingavakala na kutshona ingqilinise njengombhaco kucacengana kugogo kaGqobisa this is an assembly yamagama mengemika respect umhlaba ngo-interactor remember always try to do good attempt ungabi common like the actor is reality vector you keep knowledge like Musona read the book besides ubona isixhosa iyasibaleka nakwi-ATM imbala awuyoyingwe kakade ngoba awusidli ngowakho umbala take give yasimbuza ubala obudako kwebaba la yamfi yabapha yes sir yes sir yes sir that's what's up.
Now there was some tea shut right there. You say, can you please tell the beat down but please this side. I just want to start by saying thank you to all of you. It's here today for taking out the time to make time for us here on stage. What your age, loving in. You got problems, I got problems, and I hope you solve your problem. You got problems, I've got problems, and I hope you solve your problems. And thank you for spending your money as well to make this out here a success. I don't want to disappoint you in whatever is next. I'm not rapping, I'm just thanking and expressing my gratitude to all of you. I must tell that, please don't count this as a rap. It's not a rap yet. I'm making a rap. Just give me some time, please. I'm just thanking you. I want to express my gratitude. I'm grateful for moving here. So, yeah, like I'm saying, I wish we're not going to disappoint the DJ. I'm about to rap.
Yeah. That's what's up. That's what's up. Maximum the Pegamos. Let me listen to it, yo. Yo. I want you to help me there. Hype it up a minute. Yeah. 1, 2, when uthi inye zimbini mina ndithi 1, 2, when uthi inye zimbini 1, 2, inye zimbini 1, 2, inye zimbini 1, 2, yeah 1, 2, inye zimbini 1, 2, yo inye zimbini yeah that's rap, man. Amongst thieves I'm now. I used to shout in Jesus we trust, but now I just make hairs deceive with none. So I broken my vow, deceived my crowns with book seeds, planted by ancient king, probably on parole, but it did some free with lyrical skills. My inner being is somewhere in nature with the language of leaves. Then I meditate with these elites, chosen ones, and shooting M16s. Different galaxies we have shadows. We good alone, lot of profile, but no Twitter to follow. No pings come near us, only Venus to swallow. So watch with optic vision or contact NASA, extraterrestrial flow. My chronicles equivalent to Zeus and visiting mortals to produce supernatural beings and defeating goblins, carrying the weapons of God to defeat the forces of commotion. We underground, but no one is alive as us. We dead fool deceived by your eyes. Think this man is worth selling your art? I'll be that thick in different species mouth. With the invention, I prove the best yet is found. The elite forces of magnetical fields attract listeners with listening skills. Behind bars are banish ignorance to this production. Atomic bombing MCs, interventional divinity. Left hemisphere attached. Max, not MAX, is pronounced MC with an X. Not bipolar, come near. This weakness, anti-work with the knowledge I inject to not ignorance. The soldier salute with military respect. So I can breathe what remains of my breath. Ladies and flowing cats, MC real to veterans. Let's make some sense. Conquer the elephants as ants. Can the immortal form face death? Along at the ball that changes follicle. Remove the spectre to unlock the stargates with analog. Destination of holocaust. Invention of solar subsort. My energy to Mars is psychological force. I speak to language of mortals. The strength of the immortal. Telepathic only the deaf can hear louder. Hidden sounds of silence arsenal. If you need agenda, the tower is crushing. Concept of sender, the evil is ruined. Flow cheese negatively brings ignorance to the fallen. Men act like animals in front of the animals. They are squeezed like ancient forces of Black Azazel. Superbolists on arch rivals. The Tower of Babel, that's where it all goes. They hit the scripts of the eye chronicle. One eye sees all in the dollar signs, don't it? 1, 2, when uti.
1, 2,
1, 2, when uti.
1, 2,
1, 2, when uti.
1, 2, 1, 2, and I'm in for round 2. Alhamdulillah, who's it back?
Silapha one room yayazi nawe kusekhaya, and I meet my brothers. Apha ku-Urban Exchange kukho abantu who are artists and also they're also an audience. Awutyama all the way from youth teenage. Tata kunjani namhlanje?
Aphilile ngosi bhuti wami unjani ku?
Oh, siyabulela. It's always nice to link up namachita, you know, for hip hop, for the culture. Ufuna nje mntakwethu uncokole man as an artist and also as an audience. Your experience yale ndawo sikuyo ekuthiwa one room, the Urban Exchange.
Yeah, for mna bhuti wami won't lie yabo, it's been incredible ever since ndaqala uza yabo, because ndikhumbula bekhe wandibiza uHrotman uTaya Kim noko nam ndayipart and parcel ye lineup yakhe in this one time yabo. So at least I've had experience yoba kwe line up for a show ye Urban Exchange yabo. I've had a opportunity yoba ke audience yabo, ndize nam ndizobukela abanye amasoja enza into adume ngazo yabo. Just like today I'll be kwi open mic, then I'll be also a audience supporting amajita yabo. So it's been great, man, Rodman, I won't lie, because nami ngithatha from experience suka kwethu nakha izondibonisa abantu abatsha yabo, indibonise artists ezintsha yabo. So I get to meet new people that way when I Rodman yabo. Even now Rodman yabo, nawe Rodman apha maybe yabo. So it's always a pleasure, man, bhuti wami uba mandikwazi uphumelela ndize ki event yakhe always Rodman.
Last one ke mntakwethu, wena usebenza entweni ngoku and abantu that love your music baza kufumana phi?
So sine album bendikhe ndayikhupha ngoJune, indumiso zikaMzile igama layo. So nguTenek everywhere, ku Facebook ngumzile Tenek Vusani, ku TikTok nguTenek10 at TikTok yabo. Tenek ezigama then the number 10 yabo next to it. Yes, yeah Rodman. So na ku ku-YouTube uyakwazi unifumana napha iividiyo zam zikhona ungazifumana naku-Ulanduka uproducer wam u-DJ Cashflow. So zikhona i-music video besizishutile for iLanduka i-album le bendisandoyikhupha ngoJune. So ke for now I'm still on that process of which ba nangoku ndine-opportunity yoba mandikwazi uzoshowcase ndikwazi udibana nawe ndixelela abantu ngomsebenzi wami yabo Rodman. So it's so good ngolo hlobo bhuti wam man.
Sure, mntakwethu. And then collaborations on your projects, or you always work alone? Ngoba nabantu othi hayi ingathi man pinpoint some of amasotsha endihamba nawo endleleni.
Yes. Yeah, always ke yamazi khona uTasmith yabo Smith Pico producer yam DJ Cashflow khona umntako nangondihamba naye yabo Maximum yabo the Pegamos yabo khona umntako endimfeaturishileyo oyi-vocalist Enko the vocalist bekho oyi-one uSidokotoko. So ngabona abantu nisebenze nabo kule project ke bhuti wami apha.
So are we selling the project? Are we giving it for free? Ifumaneka kweziphi platforms?
Ifumaneka kuzo zonke ii-platforms mebhuti yabo. Ya kwangoku uba uyayifuna uyazi uyodownloada phaa. You just search u-10Egg yabo 10Egg izawusuke ivele yonke into zikho everywhere mebhuti. Yeah man.
Artist siyatravelisha. As far as traveling, ingaba mhlawumbi in the next few months we're going to December. I don't know nobe hip hop iyabhoma ngoDecember kanye amajita ayayeka.
Ruva othile I don't know mna ngamanye yabo but mna eyami into kuba ndiqhubekeke ngophusha man yabo because we've been doing i-radio last month nango August. So I've heard about 2 radio interviews but this is online yabo. So ikhala nenye into ndilibele manenye but yalapha eDispatch yabo bendisandoya kuyo ngoku next month yona yabo I mean last month ngoSeptember. So okwangoku sinayo silindele yasemdantsane yabo. So okwangoku singezo radio stations then ke whenever I get a chance ke ezifana ne-Urban Exchange yabo come and perform yabo. Yeah, so that at least abantu bayazi noba bafuna into zami ndiyakwazi ubaxelela njani phi bangazifumana njani bhuti yabo.
Tata enkosi kakhulu man. Ngoku sawubaleka singene ngaphakathi sikhangela abanye amasotsha enza ntoni. DJ Sabs channel 260 Mpuma Kapa TV definitely ijumpile. The name is DJ Sabs aka Mr. Radio Man. We are focusing on the artists at the Urban Exchange namhlanje. Apha ecam kwam ndiphethe uSlim Uzi. Tata kunjani?
Kuhle mkhuluwa man, ndibulela nje ugcina mkhuluwa man, is a blessing ba man belapha tata man. Ndiyabulela.
Inkosi kakhulu siyabulela nathi. Ndiyafuna mntakwethu mawuthi chu Ncembe usichazele ba ungubani usukaphi and what you do in the space se-art.
Okay, hayi enkosi mkhuluwa ndiyabulela. Igama ngufundile kakafile. Isiduko ngumtshawe bhuti man. AKA kuSlim Uzi. Ndawuthanda lo mculo bhuti kukuba ndiwubona ba yindlela yozi-expressa wona fully. Like ezinye genre ne they are there to entertain but you cannot fully express yourself kuzo. So ndayibona ba le hip hop hayi ngeyona i-right for him because kwamna andingumntu uthanda uthetha too much. So yona inipha la chance yokuba mandikwazi uzi-expressa. Ndingufundile ke igama from Ezinyoka.
Okay, so that's where you stay.
That's where I stay.
All right, and then as far as music is concerned, ingaba mhlawumbe ziphi projects ozenzileyo kanye nendawo apho uyawafikelela kuzo ngenxa yomculo wakho?
I-project ibhuti endizenzileyo ziyafumaneka ku-YouTube but I haven't done a full album. Yeah, it's zi-videos nje endizipromotha ngazo ku-YouTube. Andikafumani ispace apho ndizofumana khona indawo yocinezela umculo wami kwenzela ndizi-expresse ngoyona ndlela. Ndisastrugglisha kwinto ezithile according kwi-situation esiphila kuyo. So ndisabethakala but ndiyaphusha andiyekanga. Wemkhulu into enobe babalulekile kum kukuba abantu bayibone lento ndizanayo ndingayo ukwenzela ndifumane opportunity yokuba ndifumane indlela yokuba ndibe nestudio apho ndizorekhoda kuzo like khona istudio apha elokishini esirekhoda kuzo but equality ayikho right. So iyandiscourage ukuba ndingaqhubeki ndirekhode like kudala ndirekhode but umculo bendirekhoda kwi-studios bendirekhoda kuzo akho quality right. So andiconsiderishi as ii-projects zam ezi-right. So ndisathi
that quality.
Ndifuna la quality mkhulu, ndifuna la.
Alright, before ndikushiya mntakwethu ndiyafuna ukwazi your performance apha ku-Urban Exchange namhlanje ime njani. What do you promise abantu bakho?
Yo mkhuluwa, I promise abantu to give him the full performance, full energy. I want to give abantu experience abangazange bayifumane. I want to give them all what that I have, because this opportunity for me, it's like a doorway. Apho ndiphuma khona kule nto bendikuyo. Then ke ngoku xa ndiphuma, I want to make sure ba I leave no doubts, because kudala ndiwuphusha lo mculo. It's been a while, and ngoku I think I'm ready. Yabo, I think I'm ready to give people ke ngoku what I've been cooking. So I want abantu by enjoy le nto ndiyiphetheyo. I want people to have fun, because about hip hop it's about fun. At the same time, you get information, you get knowledge, you get educated about hip hop. It's a entertaining genre, hip hop, yes. So I want to give people what I have experienced with hip hop.
Yeah, phaye elokishini amaqonga yanqaba. Ucinga ntoni ngeliqonga lenziwe yi-Urban Exchange so that abantu bakwazi uperforma?
Yo mkhuluwa, le eliqonga le Urban Exchange, to me it's like a dream come true, because I've been seeing i-Urban Exchange ndihleli phakumu ndiyibona ba yinto endibawula bakuyo, because for a long time kudala ndafuna uba lapha kweliqonga. I've seen a lot of artists ezazi lapha and is admirishayo wamkhuluwa. So le i-opportunity kum yoba lapha ku-Urban Exchange, it's like a dream come true mkhuluwa, andifuna uxokusela.
Enkosi kakhulu, masibaleke sikhangele ngoba mhlawumbi kwenzeka ntoni phaa ngaphakathi. Enkosi kakhulu ngoDliwa Ndlebe. Siyabulela. Nimvile guys, uSlim Uzi uthi uphethe ubuncwane bodwa. DJ Sabs ijampile, Channel 260. Still at the Urban Exchange, DJ Sabs, Bumakapa TV, Channel 260. Apetram Guam is the artist all the way from Ayutthaya, Umfomkhulu. He's an artist, but also he's an audience. Tata, tell us introduce it, okay.
My coming forever black hot man, Kasi Upila, on the way one bullshit.
Shota.
Shota.
Don't think we're rap that you're calling.
Yo, Talama cool time. I think I was in grade 7, yeah.
Sure.
Grade 7, 2011, 2012.
Yeah.
Around that time.
So, as part of Abandama sessions around the plane, what do you think about this project, the Urban Exchange?
Yeah, I think, man, it's I think initiative and so good I am, because we actually need more office and ezifana nezi la i-Urban Exchange kanje yabo, to furthermore uhlisa i-rap lapha in the field.
Sure. Now, let's say you get an opportunity to also perform. What should people expect from your performance as an artist? Maybe today someone is watching and thinking, I want to hire that artist to perform at my event.
What people can expect, sure, from an Atiam, what people can expect to Atiam, like social content, I'm trying to dabble into in face in communities because in this time there's less of it because of internet and all. So wants to make the next hit, the next viral song, so I try now to focus more on the band that can relate to
social evils, social ills, also empowerment.
Yeah, for money, I'm definitely.
We're looking for your music. Where can we get your music?
Spotify, YouTube, but there's not much of Ngolo. I'm online at the moment.
Okay.
But definitely around next year,
yeah. So you're working on a project?
Yeah.
Is it an EP? Is it an album? What's going on?
It's an EP. It's titled Nakhalend Baby. Nakhalend, referencing to Itinaha. So yeah, it's called Nakhalend Baby. It's an EP, 6 songs. It's a fire one. And I have a feature there of Sister Walapa Epai, which I'm not gonna say much of now.
Yes. So it's only one feature there in the project.
It's actually 2 features. Calling out Tong Stage, shout out Stage. Yeah, it's only 2 features on the project. But after you there's more coming. There's more features coming. Yeah.
All right. Now, this music thing is a beast, my man. Do you have any plan about how you want to release the music? How it's gonna reach the people? Because it can't be only the internet, you know. So, do you have a plan about your music and the journey?
Yeah, I feel so. I feel so because the EP that I'm working on at the moment, I actually plan to have some sort of release party, intimate,
Launch.
yeah, some sort of a launch, but a small thing, just to get the word out there. But I know there's a project like this, there's an artist like this. Also, if I can, if I'm the match also.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm planning
To
on
expand.
that. Yeah, but man, yeah.
Sure. Ngosakhuluma kwethu man. Ku social media bafumana phi?
Facebook Forever Black, Instagram Forever Black. Yeah.
Sharp. Forever Black. Nelson Mandela Bay. Tinaka. Uthi next year sogcwala ngaye. Please.
16 times, play the baby shack like 16 times. Because I swear my 16 bars are forever until a nigga 6 feet down. I said, I want a 16 bars, like 16 pounds. And throw a party like 16 times. Hit me up when you grab it like 16 times. And when you hear these 16 bars, rewind this shit back to back like 16 times. Because I swear my 16 bars are forever until the nigga 6 feet down, don't you? That's how we know where we come from. Ain't knocking on the heaven's door. Udamo value, trust of somelela, sliding the Halekela. If I see a ruler, pull, into Kuzolomo, and pull, I overlaid and say, I'm spooing up. Tonga spoon of survivor, was spoon of faces, the camper. No book, I tell you, Funa, Tina Spooya Gemba. We're so powerful, microphone and power tool. So if we pay attention, that's we can lock shit. 16 bars, like 16 cars. 16 tons. 16 tons. How about 16 cars? Better. 16 tons. Like 16 tons. Pressure, angazoyeka, nobody ngahleka, ngoba nangiyeka, ewe ngiyasweka, angithandi breka, ngikubrekwa, ngiyabayeleveta, bayabalela, bazikhajulela, take a bow, ngoba mnandi yinkosi, ngiyaba nalo mkhosi, take a bow, ngoba mnandi yinkosi, ngiyaba nalo mkhosi. Hey yo, stakufundisa zakhayo sisifaka kwisimo. Asibaleka phezu kwebhitha siphathwa yimekile. Ulwazi simfikise emayikini, luluthotho, nge-punchlines umtholi, simnobalale ngebhobo, ngobo, isibalatha kodlobo, siphethe imbobo nezihlobo, kuthela sizithatha umgobo. Senze i-entertainment, ngolwazi lwazi siyagcina, simklinela i-pavement, ye-future yasemzantsi Afrika, indima yobunzima, fana nqwana nidima, indima ayisidima, sakushisa islima, kodwa kuyo yemfelondo, lithi zabalaza, na usezofaka mani, I got 16 bars. I wanna own like 16 cars and throw the party in 16 towns. It made the continent like 16 times. And when you have these 16 bars, you want this shit back to back 16 times. Cause I swear my 16 bars are forever until the nigga 16 times.
Igama ngu-DJ Sabs aka Mr Radio Man, unkomo umalinge umtunga ngokwakhe. Bekumnandi kakhulu artist like uqala Slim Uzi, Prince Mntwana wenkosi. Guys, mna ndithi until next time, ijampile.